Hello friends, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Jeromekeys Music. So today I want to teach you something very special. You know, there is a way we play these trumpets that you'll be wondering how we play it. After soloing the trumpet, then you use chord and play it. Just something like this. So this is what I'm going to teach you today. So I might teach you in so many songs, but I'll start from this song I just played. God is good, He has done me well. It's a very popular song that you just sing in church. So you can just solo it whenever you hear it in your church. So it goes like this. I'll be playing on F sharp, and the key I'm on is on F sharp. So it goes so mi. For those of us that are not familiar with F sharp, you can apply it to your own key because I'll be calling out the notes. So it goes so mi, so fa mi re fa re fa mi re do fa mi re do. Then you enter the full chord now. If you want to play your saw, you your mi so do. That is so mi. That is so, then do mi so. You hold this one, mi so do, why and do mi so. Yes, that is. Hope you are getting it. That is ti re fa, ti re fa. That is good, you know. You your fa, re fa, you re fa la this way. That is. Guys, fa, then you hold this one, mi so do, then ti re fa, then so do mi here. Hope you are getting it, guys. Guys, do ti re do la so. La so fi fa do ti so fa re mi fa mi. So that's how you play. Guys, do mi ti re do so la la so fa do ti so fa re mi fa mi re do. Then you go. Anything you are soloing, you make sure you end it with this, so it will be more melodious. So anything you're playing, you just have to solo it that way. You end the solo with. So you play. Let me just teach you some of the solo so that you can apply it. So after the song, you just play. Guys, so do ti re do sota, la sa la so do ti so fa, so do ti re do so la so do ti so fa, re mi fa fa mi re do so mi, so fa mi re fa mi re do. So this is just how you'll be playing it. It's very sweet and very melodious. So let me just try a song you can use it on also. So you can use it on, let me think of an Igbo song. This one is too long, so let me just look for a very short and simple song you can use it on. So I think I've taught you this one already. Something like this. Obinderedu. So for those of us that have not seen this breakdown, let me just do it again. That is play so do ti la so yo mi so do yeah. Guys, then you go your re fa la yeah. Then you play so do, then so ti, mi so, re fa. Hope you are seeing this, guys. Then you play mi so la ta so. Yeah, are you seeing it? Alright, mi so ti. Guys. That's very simple. What you just have to know is that if you want to play your do, you can use here. No, if you want to play your do, you can use here. If you want to play so, you can use this one. If you want to play fa, you can use this one. If you want to play so, you can use this one. you want to play La, you can use this one. So that is just how you can apply it. So thanks for watching, guys. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Please also comment. God bless you all.